Hey guys, this is Ishita and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you guys a simple DIY. You can make this at home easily for your lips. It's a DIY scrub as well as it will plump your lips, and if you have tan lips or pigmented lips, it will tone it down casually. First is a petroleum jelly. Second, a sugar. Third ingredient is a pepper, lemon and salt. Also few drops of olive oil. If you have coconut oil, it will also. So first of all, I will start with grinding my pepper. So this is a chili powder, but if you have pepper, you also need to grind it down in this. You just need a little bit, tiny pinch of this chili powder. But if you're like too much sensitive to pepper, then please try on your hands first. Then you can please try it on your lips. Don't take that risk. In circular motion, I'm grinding it. I think that's better. Now I'm adding sugar, and also with this I'm adding teaspoon of salt, like this much, and then you just need this much. It's not a big, it is not a big cube like this. It's just a little bit smaller and even cubes of sugar, as well as it has like a little bit of salt. I am adding lemon, 2 or 3 drops, or more than 2-3 drops. Lemon has vitamin C in this. It will help you reduce that pigmented lips if you have, and also it will also reduce tan lips. It will help you. So I'm taking this container, a clean container, and adding base. This base is petroleum jelly. I am adding 1 drop of olive oil, 1 drop only. I'm adding my mixture. As I said before, this mixture contains pepper. Use this and first try it on your skin, on your hand or on your neck. If you are like super sensitive and your skin react to it, don't use it. Don't use it on your lips. If you have essential oil or fragrance oil, you can also mix it in this. And if you have vitamin C tablets or vitamin E tablets, you can also add it, but eliminate this lemon that we have added before. But I do prefer lemon instead of tablets. So lemon will also help you preserve this mixture. So that's why I prefer lemon in this. First, remove any residue from your lips like lipstick or makeup. Wipe it off with cotton or wet cotton. So as you guys can see, I have pigmented lips, but before using this homemade DIY lip scrub, I have so much pigmented lips. So it does help reduce that pigments from my lips. So I'm using this, just a 1 scoop, 1 dot, and massage in circular motion on your lips. And let this set for just 2 minutes. that will be before and after comparison of my lips. So guys, how does it look? Please let me know in the comment section down below. And if you have any tricks and tips for DIYs, so please tell me. Don't be shy, comment it right away. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos to come. And see you guys in my next video.